Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now by preparing assets and apps. Do not stall. Get your icon images, a wallpaper that matches the palette, and install Widgetsmith plus shortcuts. Once done, open Shortcuts, tap the plus to create a new shortcut, choose Open App, select the app to replace, then assign a custom icon image. This first actionable step replaces one app at a time. Keep icons in files or photos for quick selection and consistent sizing. Now you continue by converting all core apps using the same shortcuts pattern. Create a shortcut for each app, set the name and custom icon, and add to home screen. Next, open Widgetsmith, build widgets that match size and color, small, medium, large, and set fonts and backgrounds to complement icons. Once configured, add those widgets to your home screen, arrange icons and folders deliberately, and use blank or transparent spacers to finish the process by hiding or removing original app icons from the home screen. Don't delete the apps, and place your themed shortcuts and widgets into final positions. Make sure to keep a backup of icon images and Widgetsmith presets in iCloud or files for quick restoration. If a shortcut temporarily shows the shortcut splash, reassign the Open App action or rebuild that shortcut. If widespread issues occur, restart your iPhone and reapply the theme. Troubleshooting tip: clear cached images and ensure shortcuts permissions are enabled.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.